large coastal bill, its strikingly piebald plumage has given nicknames such as Cloud of the Ocean and Sea Rooster. The Atlantic puffin is the provincial bird of the Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador. The next bird is the rainbow lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is just awakening from a nap. Scientific name Tricholigistisis haemontidus. It is a species of the Australian parrot found in Australia, eastern Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and New Caledonia. Don't know where that is. In Australia, it is common along the eastern seaboard, from Queensland to South Australia and northern Tasmania. Thank you.